We have systems for everything, from our operations, from the shop to the field. Everything we do is centered towards perfection.
One of the really great things about how we do business is our relationships with our customers is built on trust. We don't have long-term contracts that we're making you sign. Our contracts are on a month-to-month basis, and somehow we've been able to sustain great customer longevity. And it's because we do what we say we're going to do, and we have those relationships.